Okay, we've just disembarked the ship in Curacao at the port of Willemstad. We've been greeted by some dancers. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There's a small little shopping area in the port here. Most of the what you're going to see is going to be in the downtown area and in the fort. Yeah, looks like they even got a little bar here. Hey, something to come back to, right? You know, after a long day of walking around. Okay, we're going to take the walk downtown. A few more pop-up shops and local things here. Now we're getting into some of the familiar colors of Curacao on the buildings. And look at that, it's always 5 o'clock in Curacao. Old cannons.
Yeah, almost.
Got a nice information board there. There is a lot more here than the last time we were here, but it probably has been 10 years. Okay, going further into the fort. There's the Douchy Bar and Terrace. Okay, this is where a lot of the shopping and restaurants are within the fort walls. You're allowed to climb up these staircases and get on the top of these fort walls. And you can get an awesome view out there of the water and across to Willemstad proper on the other side of the river. Now we're going to head down one of the other main roads to the Queen Emma Bridge and go across to Willemstad proper. Sorry, I just have to take a pan and gaze around here. There's the other fort on the other side of the river. That is now the governor's mansion as well. The government building right next to it. And one of the most photographed string of buildings in the world, right on the other side of Queen Emma Bridge. All right, we've begun our walk across the Queen Emma Bridge. This is a pontoon bridge, so it is floating, moving up and down. It will move out of the way when ships need to traverse the river. And it takes 45 minutes for it to open and then close. So if you do get stuck on one side of it, you've got a little bit of a wait. The architecture is gorgeous. They did retain the old Dutch and Spanish styles. This place is beautiful. Okay, we're going to take a walk down Holland Road. You can see over here to the left, they have a nice restaurant right on the water. Looks like a ferry boat is pulled up. If they pull out, that means the bridge is going to move. They have their selection of stores down here. There's another street called Willemstad. Ice cream? Nice bar in there. Is that called Tramstraat? We'll be working our way around a lot of these streets.
Estamos tratando de entender. Negro.
There's Achestrat. Okay, we're at one of the other main crossroads here. As soon as you get off the bridge, this is Bredastrat. take a walk down here. Looks like another collection of very colorful, architecturally beautiful buildings. And they do have some cross streets with other fun stuff to do. This is one of the cross alleyways. With your shops, your cafes, La Boheme. Another casino. Wow, another souvenir shop. There's no way in the world you're not going to be able to find a souvenir from Curacao. Here is the world's best mojito bar. I don't know about you, but it feels like 5 o'clock to me. We are going to have to partake in helping the local economy, I think, today.